everyone, this is Ina with Innichkachef. Welcome to my kitchen. What are we cooking today? We are making banana bread. Banana bread. Who needs another banana bread recipe? We love bananas. But everyone needs a good banana bread recipe, right? A while ago, I give my banana bread to one of the teachers, Johnny's teacher. She absolutely loved it. Since then, she always requests banana bread. And banana bread, I have to say, today I'm going to share you most delicious, moist, sweet. It's a dessert bread. Not the most healthiest bread, but the most delicious bread. The one you want to make and share with your friends and family. While I'm talking, my little girl sneaking and eating the most important part of this banana bread ingredient. Chocolate chips. No more, no more. Most of you probably don't know, years ago I used to work in a bakery, and today I'm going to share their recipe. Their banana muffins have been very popular. They are so delicious, and the key ingredients for this deliciousness, this moist and so good banana bread, it's a pastry flour. It's kind of like cake flour basically. It's very powdery. It's very low on gluten. That's what you need. Another key ingredients, it's a crème fraiche. Or you can use creamer if you buy it, and you can, in a grocery creamer in Mexican section you can find, or make yourself if you can buy crème fraiche. And I'll link below how to make. I always do myself. A couple episodes ago I showed how to make kefir and kefir cheese. This is the same procedure, you just using cream. There are several shortcuts how to make crème fraiche, and I'll link below in my blog about crème fraiche, how you can take shortcuts and use. And one of them is very popular, the one Julia Child used. It's a whipped cream with buttermilk. You can use that. You can use so many different ways, but you need this fat. Don't try to be skimpy on fat and use Greek yogurt, which is consistency is the same, but higher protein and less fat. We need fat for nice, moist, and good banana bread. So let's start it. And let's start it with main ingredient, bananas. You always want for banana the very ripe banana. The more ripeness, the sweeter they are. You all know that, right? But when you store banana at home, if you don't want them ripe faster, keep in this position. They maintain this gas that speed up the ripeness much slower, so they don't ripen that fast. So most supermarkets actually hold them like this. They do have a lot of fructose, so the sweeter banana, the sweeter banana bread will be. And if you don't like if you didn't make banana bread in time and you meant to make, which is I do often, you just, when it gets to the ripeness that you desire, you peel and keep the peeled banana in a fridge, in a container, until you're ready. We need 378 grams of banana. It's alright, 10 grams more, it's fine. So it's about 3 bananas. And now we need 252 grams of butter. And we're going to melt. And I'm using a microwave. And we need 303 grams of sugar. Just because the original recipe called for brown sugar, and I never buy brown sugar because it's made from white sugar beets, and I like to raw cane sugar. So I like to add blackstrap molasses just to give that brown sugar taste, which is what it is, white sugar and molasses. About 1 tablespoon, not a lot. This is such an easy recipe. You don't need any mixture. And about 2-3 teaspoons of vanilla extract. The more the better. I think that's all I got. I need to make again. It takes a while to get. And we need 168 grams of egg. Depends size of your egg. It's about 50 grams one egg. We have 53 grams this one. Or this one's same size. Okay, I think we got 176, which is okay. It's slightly more, it's not a big deal. It's about 3 eggs. Eggs in. And the last wet ingredients is crème fraiche. Yes, crème fraiche. Look at that, it's beautiful. Look how nice and thick, and this ingredient, this crème fraiche, will give extra moist. That's all we needed. Now the wet ingredients ready, let's start working on dry ingredients. Need 353 grams of flour, let's try. You need baking soda, 8 grams. And all these ingredients and all this metric European in grams, I will convert, and everything in the recipe will be in the description below in cups and spoons. So here we go, soda. And now the last but not least ingredient is baking powder, 5 grams. 5 grams. And if you ever want to make your own baking powder with some aluminum, I will link in the description below how to do it. That's super easy. So now we just need to whisk all together. And now fold all together along with 1 cup of chocolate chips and nuts. Different nuts I'm using. And now fold everything together. Look at this beautiful caramel color. It already looks delicious, isn't? And smell very good. Vanilla and banana. It's pretty classic combination. And try to not overmix. This is not sourdough bread. It's not the yeast-based bread. It's a quick bread. That's why we use with low gluten flour to not develop any gluten stretch and any it's better undermix than overmix any type of quick breads. She stole practically all chocolate chips out of this banana bread, and now she switched to eating with a spoon crème fraiche. She loves crème fraiche. My boys love too. So this banana bread I line with purchased paper, but it's not necessary actually. And preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and here we go. This dough is better undermix than overmix. You want kind of cakey, soft bread. It's a dessert bread. It's a sweet, it's a special treat, and sometimes I serve with ice cream for special occasion dessert, not every day, but my kids absolutely love it. And I like to garnish this bread with banana chips. It's just to show it's a banana bread. No matter what you make, even such a simple recipe as banana bread, make with love. Make like you care about who you make from. Place on middle rack. For about 45 minutes. We'll keep eye on. Maybe less, maybe more. It's still very hot. I cannot wait to slice this and eat it. It's so hot, but it has to be wait for 10-15 minutes. Be careful, baby. 10-15 minutes before I can take out of this form. Can wait? She's blowing. When you take from the oven, make sure you check for doneness. Usually it's 180, that's when it's done. Try to not overcook because you don't want over dry. This is 182, which is fine. I got this new thermometer for Mother's Day and it works wonderful. You ready? Ta-da! Back. And my beautiful banana loaf is ready to try. Oh yes. I can see it's going to be delicious. Did you see how beautiful this is? Let me try. If you have to make banana bread as a gift for someone, this is the perfect recipe. So delicious. It's a dessert. Oh my goodness, so yummy, so soft and buttery and moist. This is one of the best banana bread, hands down. I hope I encourage you to make this banana bread soon and share with your friends. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram, YouTube, comments, like, dislike, share, everything. And see you next time. Bye!